How to use C.ai without logging in. So here is the website. You can go to character.ai websites. I just have a new website. As you can see, I'm not signed in. So what you can do, you can just look for characters. But if you tap on the character, you can't chat with it because there is a pop-up and it's like the screen is blocked. So you basically can't use this app without signing in. And I know there are these bugs right now with creating a new account on Character AI, so that's why it's buggy. And you can't use like an assistant as well, so this also doesn't work. So yep, just basic, and you can't create an account without signing in. So you need to sign up or log in to create a character. So yeah, unfortunately, this app is not usable unless you create a character, unless you sign in, and they have these troubles. You can go read these support articles and try to create an account. Try to use this app on the website. It's a bit less buggy on the website.